Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AS Roma Fan token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AS Roma Fan token is a utility token designed to deepen engagement between fans and the iconic Italian football club AS Roma by gaining digital rights and exclusive experiences via blockchain technology. Fan engagement utility. It transforms supporters into active participants with voting rights on club decision and access to unique rewards. Blockchain powered platform. The token operates on the Chiliz blockchain through the socio.com app, ensuring secure and transparent fan interaction. Club ecosystem currency. ASR functions as a digital currency within AS Roma's ecosystem for purchasing merchandise tickets and accessing exclusive content. AS Roma Fan project institution rating is 4.2. AS Roma Fan token total supply is 9.99 million and circulating supply is around 8.59 million ASR token. ASR token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Gate.io, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.